Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to find all your channel messages on Facebook Web using your PC, especially after the latest update where things have been moved around a bit. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Now, select Activity Log. This section is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything you've done on your account. Once you're inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side. You'll see different categories. Click on your Facebook activity to expand more options. This is where Facebook organizes your actions into specific sections, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Now, scroll down a little and find Messages. Click on it and you'll see another option labeled Channels. Go ahead and click on Channels, and this will display all your channel-related messages in one place. This new update makes it much easier to track and manage your conversations, especially if you're active in multiple channels. Instead of searching manually, everything is now neatly organized inside the activity log. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access all your channel messages on Facebook Web using your PC.